Welcome everyone. In this video we're going to show you how to connect xGenerative Design, our web application for algorithmic generative scripting, to building structures, an application for structural modeling at a concept to mid-level of detail model. So first here we've created an xGenerative Design wireframe that's controlled by a number of parameters. We've got number of levels, spacing between levels, numbers of columns in the X and the Y direction. And we're going to open that model in the rich client. You see the parameters that were declared in the xGenerative Design model are exposed here. And we're going to create what's called a beam pattern and a column pattern. So xGenerative Design outputs center lines into containers that are called geometrical sets. And we're going to make a pattern that is attached to that geometrical set. So any center line that's output into that geometrical set will be used as a host for these structural members. Now I'm going to create structural members that are absurdly different in size with no real logic to the actual member that I'm placing, other than to show the difference in one member from another. And when you create this beam pattern or column pattern, you have different methods of controlling the positioning and orientation of each of these members. But what's exciting is once you've done that, you've placed your members and you've created your beam patterns, changing your xGenerative Design model, modifying those parameters, will update automatically the beam patterns that you've created. And so in xGenerative Design, it's an algorithmic scripting engine. You can embed any logic that you like that controls the sizing logic or the sizing strategy for your different members, and then output them into different geometrical sets. And then in the building structures application, you can assign your beam patterns, and you have just created a very efficient and effective generative structural modeling solution. So thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day.